To play the game Tschau Sepp, you start with a deck of 36 cards, which is a bit different from other card games. The deck is made up of cards numbered 6 to ace in 4 suits, hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. Everyone gets 5 cards, and the rest go in a pile in the middle. The top card from the pile is turned over and laid next to it. This is the discard pile. The goal is to get rid of all your cards by matching the card on top of the discard pile by number or suit. If you can't play a card on your turn, you must draw from the pile. There are special rules for certain cards. If you play a jack, you can change the suit to whatever you want. Playing a 7 means the next player has to draw 2 cards unless they also play a 7. The ace can block the 7's effect, and the final rule is to always remember to say Tschau when you have 1 card left and Sepp when you play your last card. Have loads of fun playing Tschau Sepp.